Welcome to the Redzone Cafe Valley Productivity and Food Safety Roadshow. Very excited to have all of you guys here with us this morning. We've got a pretty incredible event lined up for you guys here today.
There's always pressure to be more profitable and to run things better. Before Redzone, very reactionary, and we had paper everywhere. We started using 750,000 less sheets of paper a year when we implemented Redzone.
On top of that, when it came to audits, we took almost the full 2-hour time limit just to find the paperwork. Adding Redzone really helped us with that.
The beauty of Redzone is it'll put it in a packet for you and say, hey, this is your #1 problem. It's up to you if you want to fix it or not. Downtime has been one of our biggest winners this year, right? We got a 40% reduction in changeovers.
The productivity that we've had ever since implementation, 2016 we were averaging 68%, in 2017 we jumped it up to 79%, 2018 we were up to 85%, and that's kind of when we started to dig in and say, all right, we're at 85 consistently. Let's see how are we tracking this, what improvements we can make.
We're able to pulse throughout the day. Anybody in any level of the organization is able to pick up an iPad and be able to check and see what's going on.
For our top management team, everybody has an iPad, so everybody's capable to see what's going on in any of 11 facilities at real time.
I work in 4 facilities. I don't have to be in any specific facility. I just pick up my iPad and done, right?
9 different departments that are on Redzone with 30 different locations, so it's really tough to keep an eye on the entire plant in any other fashion besides Redzone. Instead of having to wait till the end of the day or the end of the week or whatnot to figure out what's going wrong, you know it, pretty darn quick.
It's all about transparency and being truthful, understanding what our problems are and able to point really quickly to it surgically and attack it.